Welcome to Olathe, Kansas. As a homeowner, you understand the importance of maintaining your property, and one critical area often overlooked is the gutters. Clogged gutters can lead to significant water damage, costly repairs, and even impact your home's foundation. Thankfully, the gutter guys are here to provide a reliable solution with our top-of-the-line leaf guards. With nearly 20 years of experience, we specialize in high-quality gutter protection systems designed to keep your gutters clear and functioning year-round. Our leaf guards prevent leaves, twigs, and debris from blocking your gutters, ensuring that rainwater flows smoothly and effectively. This means no more worrying about climbing ladders for routine cleanings or dealing with the aftermath of water damage. Ready to take the next step in protecting your home? Contact the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at thegutterguys.llc for a personalized consultation. Safeguard your Olathe home with our reliable leaf guards and enjoy peace of mind knowing your gutters are protected.